MartinLogan is known for the performance of thin film loudspeakers. It was critical when we were looking at a gateway product into our high performance line that we utilize the same technologies that we would in our more premium product.
Motion foundation, it's the building block or foundation,
Yeah.
total pun intended. Entry point in the category.
Yeah.
We started outside, now we're bringing that philosophy indoors.
It's hot out there.
Motion Foundation series features 3 trickle-down technologies from our world-class Motion XT and Motion Series family of products. The first is the Folded Motion Tweeter S, the smallest and most compact folded motion tweeter that we've made in our history. Incredible sound, incredible performance at an approachable price.
So should we talk about the waveguide at all?
Yeah, absolutely. So it guides the waves.
The Folded Motion Waveguide maintains controlled dispersion within our product line, but expands the dispersion of the tweeter to provide maximum flexibility for multiple different room placement options.
So if this didn't have the waveguide,
Yeah.
it would be 80 by 80. You add the waveguide and it goes to 90 by 90. So are we contradicting ourselves? No. We're just giving you a little more forgiveness. It's like, hey, 80 was cool and all.
What gives you better flexibility, right?
We just give you a little more wiggle room. We started using aluminum woofers in the Motion series back in 2010, which has now trickled its way into the new Motion Foundation line for not only the mid-range, but the bass drivers as well. They're very light, they're very strong, both good things that you want, and well, they just look real good. Ideal properties of strength and lightweight allows it to be not only articulate, but very strong and durable.
Look at those feet.
Those are sexy.
Those feet are a solid foundation for those to sit on.
Well, the nice part is it comes with both rubber and a carpet spike.
Okay, but why?
One for hardwood and one for carpet, because it's a carpet spike,
Yeah.
which we should probably, it's on carpet right now, we should probably put the carpet spike on.
We wanted to make a line of speakers that offered incredible value and incredible performance like nothing that we've ever had before.
How about these finishes though?
Well, there's 3 of them.
Yeah, there's, 3. Yep, that math checks out.
Motion Foundation consists of 5 different models and 3 unique finishes. 2 different tower models, 2 different bookshelf models, and a center channel.
Motion Foundation is the most approachable way to experience MartinLogan and our signature performance.
We have drastically expanded what we've been doing for 40 years. Like, this is just electrostatic,
And it's not all of them.
and that's not even all of them.
This
And
is just scratching the surface.
we know that this is what we're known for, but we wanted to bring this magical sound to more applications and more people than ever before. Because if there's one thing we know after 40 years, it's everybody deserves MartinLogan sound.